Okay, let's preview and see how it looks like. Okay, there you go. It looks almost the same. Okay, we need to change the headline to red color. Select. Let's find the color. Okay. Probably make it bigger. Okay. Now go back to the normal view and let's see what else do we need to put in. Now we need to highlight this sentence. So I'll copy the sentence first. Right click. Place it over here in the middle. Okay, let's bold this. Make it bigger and highlight it. Okay, there you go. Now let's see. Okay, now we need the box. So let's create a table over here. Type in insert table, one row, one column, and probably the pixels should be much smaller. Let's say 500. Let's test first. Border should be 1. Okay. Now right click. Okay, this is 2. Hold on. Table cell properties. Go to table. Spacing as 0. Padding as 2. Apply. Table alignment center. Apply. Let's apply. And let's see. There you go. The table is here. Okay. Now let's type in the text. Right click. Okay. Hit enter. And now you will see the opt-in capture email capture form. So let's go back to web forms in the Aweber. Click on this get HTML link. They will give the code. So just copy this code. Right click and copy. Let's close this. Then let's go back to EndView and hit enter again. Now over here you cannot copy the code or you cannot paste the code here, but you must go to the source code. So the source view here, click once and you'll paste it here. Right click, paste, and go back to the normal view, and there you go, the email capture form has been added. Okay, now you can adjust this, make it bigger, drag it. Okay, sorry, let's bold this name. Okay, so let's see the text over here. Okay, let's go to the source first. I need to write the text over here. Let's see the place after the table, after the form. Okay, let's go to normal. Okay, there you go. Right click and paste and make it smaller. Let's select this, make it smaller. Okay, there you go. Now next, this is a horizontal rule, so over here I will insert horizontal rule. There you go, horizontal line. Okay, now let's see. I think the table is too big over here. You can see this table is quite different. I'll show you how to do this later on. Okay, never mind. For this case, we can just copy. Of course, you'll put your own address. Make it in the center. Okay, and add the image. So this is quite straightforward to add the image. I'll just insert. I'll do this quickly. Choose file, add the footer. Sorry, the logo. Okay, now let's see, left the footer. So for the footer we need to do this outside the table over here. So let's see how. Let's find the table. Okay, we need to go outside of this red dotted line table. Need to go to the source code, and let's find the closing tag table. I think this is it. Let's test first. There you go. Okay, now we will add the image or the footer over here. So insert, image, footer, open. Let's type in footer and click OK, and there you go, the footer has been added. Okay, let's save this. Control S. Okay, if you want to see the, or you want to preview the page, click on preview here, and you can see this is quite ugly in the sense that the table actually appears quite big. So let's make it smaller. This table, right click and go to table cell properties, and let's change the pixels. Okay, the table width, let's change this to percentage. Let's try 60%. Okay, maybe 70%. Okay, now hit enter once, save. Okay, if you want the border to look like this, okay, it's very easy. You can just view the code. Okay, you can view the code. Go to view code. This is using a Mozilla Firefox. View page source, and let's scroll down and find the table code. This is not copyrighted because the table is quite universal, so there's no problem for you to look at the code unless the image or something else is copyrighted. Okay, let's copy the whole code over here, the whole tag table. Okay, copy and go back to the table tag. Let's find the tag. Okay, source. Okay, this is the table. Right until the closing tag. Okay, just until here is enough, and paste. Okay, let's see, and there you go. The table has appeared exactly like how the website looks like. Now we need to make it in the center, so just right click, table cell properties, and align it in the center. Apply and hit OK, and let's save. Control S, go to preview, and there you go. It has almost a similar look. Okay, so you can just do the necessary adjustment, whichever is necessary. The fonts, the spacing, I've taught you all this. Like the spacing over here, you need to change the let's see, right click, change the padding here. Okay, so you want them to be spaced out even more, just add the number. Like you can see here, yeah, it's been added. Okay, so let's save and preview. So this is how you create your opt-in page. Of course, you don't copy the same image. I'm just showing you this as an example on how to work with Enview, because this Enview application is free. And of course, if you have spare cash, I really recommend you to get Dreamweaver or FrontPage, or also known as Web Expression right now, Microsoft Web Expression. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.